The Karnataka Legislative Council election results have triggered fresh questions within the JDS after the party's lone candidate failed to secure a seat despite the party having 18 MLAs in the assembly. Reacting to the outcome, Union Minister and senior JDS leader H.D. Kumaraswamy said he had complete information about those who cross-voted and claimed the result was not unexpected. Speaking in Mysuru, Kumaraswamy said the party candidate received only 14 votes, indicating that 4 legislators had voted against the party line. He further stated that he was aware of discussions among some leaders about leaving the party and suggested that those who wished to exit were free to do so. Kumaraswamy maintained that the candidate was fielded not necessarily to win, but to assess the loyalty of party legislators. He said he had met almost all JDS MLAs before the election except one legislator from Mysuru district. Kumaraswamy also said that the party would focus more on young leaders and give greater opportunities to Gen Z. The remarks came a day after the ruling Congress won 5 of the 7 legislative council seats, aided by cross-voting from BJP and JDS legislators. The BJP secured the remaining 2 seats while the JDS candidate lost in the election.